Hi, Grizzlies. It's Miss Rebecca, Inter's math coach, and today we're going to do a dot talk number talk. So, why do we do number talks? Well, they encourage us to talk about our strategies. They give us a chance to listen to other people's strategies. They show us that there are many ways to approach math problems. And they help us justify our thinking and work through our mistakes. So, how do we do number talks during distance learning? Well, we do these best when we have at least one other person to work with. You could do this number talk with a parent, with a brother or sister, with your pet, with a stuffed animal, or all of the above. The more the merrier. Many of you do number talks in your class, and so you'll remember these hand signals. Feel free to use your hand signals while you're doing the number talk at home. In this dot talk, you will use mental math to solve the problem. I wanted you to challenge yourself to come up with at least 2 different ways to solve the problem. You're going to explain to someone how your brain solved the problem. Challenge yourself to use English to explain your thinking. And even challenge yourself to draw a picture to explain your thinking. Lastly, you'll listen to how someone else's brain solved the problem. This is why it's important to work with other people if you can. So, what do we do during a dot talk? I'm going to show you an image with some dots. Without counting one by one, figure out how many dots there are. Are you ready? First, you'll only get to see the image for 3 seconds. Then I promise I'll show it to you again. Here we go. Think about what you saw. Remember, the point is to know how many dots there are total without counting one by one. I'll let you see it again for another 3 seconds. So, how many dots were there total? What did your brain do to get to the answer? Tell someone you're with. Were you able to come up with more than one way to solve it? What strategies did you think of or use to solve it mentally? Tell the people you're with. Is your strategy the same as your family members? Ask them how their brain solved it. Do you think you could draw your ideas? Here are some ways my brain solved it. Are any of these the same as you? Take a look and see. There are many ways we can see the number of dots here. Let's all agree that there are 7 total. Here's one way you could have seen it. 2 and 2 and 3. If I were to write that as equation, I might write 2 plus 2 plus 3 equals 7. Another way I could have seen it is 3 on the side and 3 on the side plus 1 in the middle. That equation would be 3 plus 3, which is a double, plus 1, which equals 7. Some people might see these 4 as a triangle and see 3 more over here. That equation would be 4 plus 3, which also equals 7. Some people may see it as 3 and 2 and 2, which is similar to our first one. 3 plus 2 plus 2 equals 7. Now, I just found when I watched that I made a geometry mistake in that. If you go back and find the geometry mistake, be sure to email me and let me know what I did wrong. Mistakes help our brains grow. Anyways, I hope you had fun doing this dot talk with me, and I look forward to doing more number talks with you in the future. Stay healthy, and I hope to see you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.